I am so excited today to share this with you. You know, I usually share simple, easy tips that make your life better and save you time. Well, today's has to do with hairstyling. And spoiler alert, I have zero hairstyling skills, zero. But look, tell me you don't love that. Doesn't it look so professional and so put together? And what if I told you it took like 30 seconds? Okay, maybe a minute if you struggle a little bit with it. It's so easy. Do you want to know how to do it? Oh, this is almost embarrassing, but it's not. Let's take this off. Look, it's called JuvaBun. It's basically a big hairband with hair that you can match to your own hair color. Okay, so I'm embarrassed to show you this, but this would be what my regular bun looks like. Not very professional, not very put together, not at all. So you take this, you put it around your bun, you twist it so that there's two thicknesses around, you zhuzh it a bit, fluff it up, and look, that's it. I hope you set a timer because I forgot to, but I want to say it took like 20 seconds, and if you include putting your hair up in a bun, okay, maybe a minute. But you got it. I can't wait to share more about JuvaBun with you because I know that you're going to want one or maybe two. I know you're going to be as addicted as I am.